Ever wondered how scientists can detect tiny traces of genetic material with such accuracy? The answer lies in nucleic acid tests, and today I'm going to break it down for you in just a few minutes. What is a nucleic acid test? A nucleic acid test is a method to detect DNA or RNA from an organism, virus, or sample. Unlike other tests that look for proteins or symptoms, this one targets the genetic blueprint itself. That's why it's incredibly precise and sensitive. It can find even a tiny fragment and tell you exactly what it is. How does nucleic acid testing work? Most nucleic acid tests rely on amplifying the genetic material. Think of it like photocopying a single page a million times so it becomes easy to read. PCR, or polymerase chain reaction, is one popular method where the DNA is copied exponentially. Fluorescent markers help scientists see the presence of the target sequence, making the test both fast and highly reliable. Nucleic acid test versus other detection methods. So, how does a nucleic acid test differ from traditional detection? Protein-based or antibody tests detect the body's response or the organism itself, but, they can be slower or less sensitive. Nucleic acid tests go straight to the genetic code, giving results earlier and with higher accuracy. That's why researchers really prefer it when precise detection matters. What are the applications of nucleic acid test? While many people think nucleic acid tests are only for medical labs, they're actually used widely in biotechnology, environmental studies, and quality control. Any situation where you need to confirm the presence of specific DNA or RNA sequences, nucleic acid testing is the go-to tool. It's a core technology for modern research and product development. Bulk Sciences nucleic acid analysis and purification services. And if you're looking for professional support, Bulk Sciences offers advanced nucleic acid analysis, purification, and custom testing services. Whether it's DNA, RNA, or specialized nucleic acid research, their expertise ensures reliable results and streamlined workflows. For all your nucleic acid needs, you can reach out to Bulk Sciences today. Curious to learn more about nucleic acid technology? Check out our website and explore cutting-edge solutions for your research projects. So next time you hear about nucleic acid tests, you'll know exactly why they matter. Check out Bulk Sciences for your lab needs, and don't forget to subscribe for more biotech insights.